Reduce ringing in ears, using white noise tinnitus maskers.
How do white noise tinnitus maskers work? Imagine you are in a darkened room. Now switch a torch on and off repeatedly, you will see this clearly. Now switch the room's light on. And now switch your torch on and off. You cannot see the torch light nearly so well because the overall room light helps to mask it. Now imagine that the torch is your tinnitus, and the room's light is the white noise masker. Without the masker being on, you are always aware of the sounds of tinnitus. Switch the masker on, and, as with the room light being on, you will be less aware of your tinnitus, that is the white noise masks your tinnitus. White noise tinnitus maskers and stress relief. Tinnitus maskers can produce sounds like waterfalls, flowing rivers, sea surf, and rainfall etc., which can help to relax you and relieve stress, as well as masking the sounds of your tinnitus. Relaxation and stress relief are very important in trying to reduce tinnitus, because one of the underlying causes of tinnitus is stress. And stress relief is doubly important because it can put you into a vicious stress, tinnitus cycle. For example, stress causes tinnitus, tinnitus causes you more stress leads to worse tinnitus, and so on. So, stress and anxiety relief is an important part of treating your tinnitus.